Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to transfer your Dream Miles to Cash Miles in your Air Miles Canada account. So I'm logged into my Air Miles account. As you can see, I currently have 881 Cash Miles and 29 Dream Miles. I want to convert these 29 Dream Miles into Cash Miles. Now, if you are a Gold Air Miles member, you can convert a certain number of miles every year. So to do so, click on Transfer Miles, and you'll see these two options. So I'll choose this option to transfer Dream Miles to Cash Miles. I'll enter the number of Air Miles into this box, in my case 29 Air Miles, and then click Transfer. It will then process the transaction and give you a confirmation. And as you can see, I now have 910 Cash Miles. And then finally click Done. This will bring me back to the main account dashboard. But that's pretty much it. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.